see how rich and dark this is. The acidity levels should be ideal.
Let's take this sample back for testing. It feels perfect for the tea.
The soil looks good here. Start putting up the supports for the nets.
Okay, we'll start with the poles on this end.
Here, the harmony of plants and trees creates an authentic and sustainable tea farming atmosphere.
The workers carefully inspect the young tea plants, checking the leaves and the soil moisture to ensure optimal growing conditions. This meticulous pruning process ensures a uniform height across the tea plants, promoting the healthy new growth essential for a quality harvest.
Look at this leaf. The mites are already spreading here. We need to start spraying the organic treatment immediately. We should monitor this specific shoot. It's showing early signs of the required growth stage. Okay, marking it down now and attaching the tag.
See how soft these are? That's the color we want. But these harder stems, we must remove them before they go to the factory.
Is it stable now?
Yes, balanced. It reads 48 kilograms.
Noted.
All right, keep it coming slowly.
A little further back now, watch the edge.
Looks good. They're very flexible.
Yes, the quality is high.
Increase the heat slightly to stabilize the drying duration.
Confirmed. Monitoring flow rate.
They're perfectly dry and crisp.
Excellent quality.
We need to ensure a smooth transition into the grading screens.
Understood. I'll monitor the flow from this side.
Make sure it doesn't jam up right there. I'm watching it, the flow is steady now.
We've rechecked the tea grades.
Consistency and quality confirmed.
Line 4B, the Earl Grey shipment.
Ah, yes, I see it now. It matches the PO.
Once we apply the customs approved stamp, we can finalise the manifest.
Okay, I'll sign off on the commercial invoice now.
Seal number 74190.
Confirmed. 74190. Recorded.